Hey, what's up? Cantus Simmons here. And today I want to show you a three-step equation to pay for college. One of the number one reasons that students don't go to college, or the number one reason that students drop out of college, is because of money. So in this video, I want to show you real quickly here this three-step equation, what you want to do with this three-step equation so you will have a roadmap to help you fund the big college tuition bill. Now, if you've never ever heard my story, I spent 25 years in school, have 3 college degrees, worked at NASA as a scientist, and actually went to school all on scholarships. And over the last 20 years, I've been dedicated and irrationally passionate about making sure that parents and other students have money for college. And so I'm going to be doing a deeper workshop on this, but I want to give you this three-step equation that you want to consider when paying the big college tuition bill. All right. So number one, here's what you want to consider. I'm going to give you the equation. The equation is, do a dollar sign here. The equation is GM plus OM plus YM. That's the equation to pay for college. Yeah, GM plus OM plus YM. Now, if you're taking notes, you want to make sure you start right here, okay? So what's the GM, all right? You want to, number one, make sure that you get access to the government's money, right? So the federal financial aid department, they have money and resources to help students go to college, all right? And so what you want to do, you want to make sure, first of all, you want to get access to this government's money. Now, one of the current ways to do that is through a form called FAFSA, FAFSA. It's the free application of federal student aid. This application comes out at the end of the year and is designed to let students and parents both know how much money that is available to them based off of their need. Okay, so if you can show the government that you have need for the money, then the government will give you access to the money. Okay, so the first thing is getting access to the government's money. The second thing you want to do is get access to other people's money. All right, other people's money. Now, other people's money come in two forms. Form number one, other people's money, is scholarships, which you don't have to pay back, and student loans, which you do have to pay back. Now, I'm all for money that you don't have to pay back. And so when you're getting other people's money, there are a lot of different ways to seek out scholarships. And I'll be doing a free workshop to really go in depth around that. But one of the cool things about other people's money, you want to know the 4 levers that you should pull when finding scholarships, right? You want to look at, utilize your son or your daughter's academics, okay? You want to pull the lever based off of their accomplishments, right? So academics is what they've done inside of the classroom. Let me give you this other one. Activities, that's what they've done outside the classroom. And then now, accomplishments. These are the things that they've currently received, and rewards, and the honors. And then you want to pull the lever called aspirations, right? Accomplishments is based on what they've already done. Aspirations are based on what they want to do. So when you're looking at other people's money, you want to pull some of these levers. Like I said, I'll go deeper in another workshop here on how to find scholarships. And then the third way, GM plus OM plus YM. Number 3 is your money. Your money, right? So this is an additive equation. The government's money plus other people's money plus your money. Now, regardless of where you are right now, you want to make sure that you're utilizing your money, whether it's through savings, whether it's through investing, whether it's using a 529 education plan. This is where you're putting money aside to be able to partake and utilize your money over time to pay the big college tuition bill. But here's what I want you to understand and see, that you're going to have a plan to pay for college. And this 3-step framework, you want to be able to understand how to master and get the most out of the government's money. You want to make sure you maximize how to get the most out of finding other people's money. Like, I love scholarships. I actually have seven plus ways to locate and land college scholarships. And then you want to make sure you can utilize your money, whether that is through investing, whether that's through savings, whether that's through retirement fund. However, there are multiple ways that we can look at using your money. But at the end of the day, the question is, do you have a plan? Do you have a process in place to be able to pay the big college tuition bill for you or your student? Now, if you don't, I want to invite you to a free workshop where I'm going to break down how to locate, land, and lock down college scholarships. Now, I believe that the GM and the YM, there are some basic things that you can do to maximize those. But the big winner is how you utilize and get access to other people's money. Now, down below, there'll be a link somewhere where you can join this free workshop where I break down how to get access to other people's money in the form of scholarships. And I'm so passionate about this, and be absolutely amazed of the different places out there to locate scholarships. And I would love to invite you to jump on that workshop. Okay, so click the link down below to jump on that workshop. But I want you to really think about, do you have a plan to pay the big college tuition bill? Hey, I'm Kenton Simmons, and remember this: only one game in life counts, and that's your A game. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. What you think, bro? Just that simple?